morning this time. We're here literally on the beach because we were waiting to have some early brunch over here at Wild Time. It's a place that's inside of the Atlantic Hotel. So if you guys come to Fort Lauderdale, you want some bomb brunch, come to the Atlantic Hotel. You get complimentary 2-hour parking if you have a car. Plus, it's literally located right on A1A, and so you can come out to the beach while you're waiting for your table like we are. You guys can probably notice it's a little bit rainy out right now, but we're not letting that stop us at all.
It's supposed to be really good weather as soon as we leave.
It really is actually, yeah. On Monday, it's fantastic weather. Sunday is pretty good too.
We bring the sunshine ourselves.
That's right. That's what you have to tell yourself. So Maddie was saying that she thinks that she can push Brett in. Ah! That's 1-1 right there, baby. Let's go! Yeah! These guys have been incredibly good sports. I mean, the weather has not been the best since they arrived, which is a total bummer because up until they arrived and right after they leave, the weather has been fantastic and will be fantastic. So that is a little bit of a bust. But we've been doing our best to make the most of it, have as much fun as we can. We're doing a lot of scooter rides and whatnot. Hopefully tomorrow, like crazy. That's what we're banking on tomorrow, for the weather to be good. Unfortunately, it's also the day they leave, and so if the weather's good, we're gonna try to go very hard and do a lot of stuff in a short amount of time to make up for all the lost time that we had with the poor weather. Alright guys, this is why you come to Wild Time right here. Look at the size of this brunch. This is the brunch platter and it is ginormous.
You have bananas Foster, French toast, fried chicken, eggs Benedict,
oh my gosh, bacon, sausage, sliders, fruit, pancakes, potatoes.
Where's your food?
Oh, okay, yeah. That's and then Maddie got a little something over there. She got a little bowl. That looks good. It's delicious. It was delicious. Now we're about to hop on the water taxi. If you guys come here, it's the best spot to board it. Number 7. They got music playing here. They got a cool pool. And this is the one to get on, the double decker. It's worth it because you get to stand on the top. Over there though, it's a single decker. We're officially on the water taxi. It's a double decker, and if you guys do the water taxi, you have to wait for the double decker. If you guys want to get on the double decker, go to the water taxi. You can actually track where the different taxis are at, and this one's called the Island Expedition. So remember that, Island Expedition for the water taxi. It's a double decker. I think there's only like 1 or 2. So if you miss it, it's gonna be a long time before you get the next one, but it's totally worth it because you could be up top. And I was talking with Brett, it's like you're almost like having like your own charter because they're usually pretty empty. I mean, you guys can kind of see there's not really anyone up here. Like for the most part, it's pretty much empty.
Tell them how you can call, so you can actually call them too and be like, hey, at what time, whoa! At what time will the Island Expedition be at this stop? And they can like,
yeah, exactly, yeah.
That's what we did.
So we're actually near the end of it. So where we picked it up is over by the DoubleTree. It actually goes down this way. And this is kind of like probably the more boring side, I guess you could say, because I mean, it's gorgeous everywhere. But when you go back the other way, it gets unbelievably cool. Ahoy mateys, we were just finishing off right now. We're actually getting off at downtown. We're gonna go walk around, maybe go check out some ice cream. There's a new ice cream shop right here.
We actually gotta go because they're stopping. We gotta get off.
I know, we gotta get off. How'd you like it? This is like our 4th time doing it.
You guys, the weather was like perfect for the water taxi. It was like overcast with a little bit of sun, a little breeze. I'm actually really glad we waited till today to do it.
Yeah, it honestly was perfect. How'd you like it, buddy?
Made you realize that there's a lot of stuff I can't afford. Like a lot.
He's talking about the homes and yachts because they tell you about how cool they are, the yachts and whatnot.
And they said one house was 98 million. And I was like, yeah.
Yeah, there was a home that we passed. It was all white, massive, 98 million.
The CEO of Taco Bell.
Yeah.
Someone, what are the
founder of Kohl's.
Johnson & Johnson,
Yep.
Kohl's. Jay Leno.
Yeah.
Jay Leno's, what's his name?
Leno.
Jay Leno's old house. Like,
Yeah,
it's just
very
to
cool.
see a lot of that. After the water taxi, you gotta come get dessert. We decided to come to Pana Dolce. It's like
gourmet gelato.
Italian bakery. They have
Fresh baked breads and pastries.
yeah. They got tons of yummy pastries. We got a piece of cheesecake and one of their chocolate eclairs. But look at all these yummy desserts. They also have gelato. All these. Oh my gosh, I love these kind of cookies right here. They're so good. And so this is just located right on Las Olas Boulevard when you get off.
After you get some pastries, you gotta just come take a stroll down Las Olas Boulevard. It is beautiful, especially this time of the night. There are tons of shops, all sorts of like different restaurants, cafes. Even if you don't do any of that stuff, it's just fun to come take a stroll down here because it's so pretty. After getting yourself a pastry, we actually did poke into this place right here. It's called Quiet Storm. It's a very cool like beachy store, I guess you could say, but it has tons of really awesome clothes. And I should probably say cute clothes because I know it's mainly like girl stuff in here, but yeah, there's some guy stuff too, yeah, but it's like really cool stuff.
It's like a lot of like surf brands.
It's basically like everything I love. Oh yes.
This could be your next airport.
I actually really like that a lot. That is cool. Awesome.
Jared.
Look at this whole rack right here, but the store's like huge. What?
Keep it down, I can't shop.
Look how big it is in here. This is awesome. Okay guys, we just got done with the water taxi and it was so much fun. I mean, I can't think of a better activity. Like the weather was just like perfect. I can't imagine it being any hotter. And so the fact that we did it then, it honestly all turned out great. Now we're actually on our way to go to Brett and Maddie's second favorite restaurant here. In fact, I'm actually not sure if this is their second favorite or their first favorite. But anyways, we're about to go to the one and only Taco Craft.
Back to doing our favorite thing, what we do at night.
Yeah, fight.
We didn't get enough fighting in last night, so
fight.
We're playing more Settlers.
That is right, baby.
And actually, I would say, you guys, I haven't told Brett or Jared or Maddie this, I would say the majority of people said that they liked beans on toast. A lot of people said you eat hot dogs with the beans on toast. They do that over in Europe, which is kind of cool, so.
You know what? You got me a hot dog, so I think I would go for that 100%.
I will not be eating with you.
And
also, we gotta say real quick,
yeah.
One of you guys, so many of you guys guessed his height correctly, but there's only one of you that guessed it first.
Yeah, we had to go through and see.
And I don't know how to pronounce this. I'm pretty sure it's just the handle, so I'll kind of put on the screen here, but I think it's Der Seder Brock 3228.
So how tall are you, Giant?
I am 6'7".
6'7", whoa!
So Mr. Brock, definitely send us the email hello@jordanbritt.com and we will make sure that you get a $25
Your moolah!
Merch.
You're welcome.
Thanks for being tall, Brett. So tall that everyone wants to
I
get.
missed a trivia question. Yeah.
I'm just a trivia question.
I'm only good for that and getting stuff off pie show.
That's right.
That's not true. Also, a ton of people have been wishing you happy birthday as well.
You guys are so sweet.
I know, the sweetest ever. Here's our little Finners. Maddie's being so sweet, and we are making our late night snack toast tonight.
On the yummiest bread ever.
Honey and butter on bread, that's normal.
Yeah, and you guys, Publix sells this Cheesecake Factory bread. It's like
It's
the big
delicious.
slices. It is so good.
It's bomb.com.
We're gonna play this game tonight. We'll let you know who wins tomorrow. But we love you guys. We have one more full day with these guys tomorrow. We have some really fun plans. So
Make sure you come back.
make sure you come back. We'll see you all then.
Yeah,
Bye.